Hello, guys. It's been a long time, so today is the day of the update. It must be last month, but I have something to do, so yeah, let's bring it on. Okay, so first you need to extract ML files, MLB overlay tool. Just right click and then extract all, and then extract. And yes, it will be extracted here. Just wait until it's done. Okay, it's extracted now, so we just can open it. And as you can see here, this is the our file. So first thing first, I have so many DMs from you guys that it cannot open and anything. As you can see on the as you can see, I'll show you some chat of some people that says it's cannot opening. The thing that you are forgot to do is install Node.js, guys. So please install Node.js. To install Node.js is pretty easy. You guys just go to you guys just search Node.js and then open this Node.js and then just get Node.js and download Windows installer. As you can see here, I already downloaded it, and what you guys need to do is just run it and then just next, accept, next, and then install it. Just go follow through it. So because I'm already installed it, so I don't think I need it. And also there is also you guys reported that when it's already loaded, and when it brings to the OBS, there is a bug like the the player image is too big, or the arrow gif is going big. So what you guys need to do is just update your OBS. So to update your OBS is pretty simple. You just go to your OBS and then go to the help and then check for updates, and you just see if there is any update or not. Just follow through it. So yes, just update your OBS. Okay, we are back into ground zero. So after you extracted files MLB overlay tool, you just need to open this files MLB overlay tool.bat. You just start it, and it will be started, and will be your main page. So yes, it's still the same, but now there is something that you need to read. First of all, guys, don't lazy to read. Okay, read everything that you need to read in here. So this is the thing that you need to understand: when to use copy by IP versus copy localhost. It's hard to explain, but it's hard to explain in English, but I will explain it to give you guys image for what I am explaining here. I will do it real, real, asik, real. So to give you guys image what I'm explaining here, I will do it now. Okay. So wait, let me activate my camera, and I will set up the thing first. Okay, so this is the setup that I can set up for now. So for example, this PC, as you can see here, the in the right is in the right side is host PC, which is my PC that I'm currently use for recording, and this one is for streaming or OBS. Even though this laptop is not good for streaming, so just do this as an example. Okay, you need to make sure it's on the same connection, it's on the same LAN, it's on the same Wi-Fi, di jaringan yang sama. Okay, make sure it's on the same LAN. After you make sure it's set on the same LAN, so next thing you need to do is you need to remember this IP. Okay, make sure to see this IP. Okay, 192.168.1.8. So next thing you need to do is insert those IP. Yeah, 192 point what is it? Wait, is it mirror? No, it's mirror. Wait, let me fix it. Okay, now it's fixed. So the thing that you need to do here, after you see the active server IP, is type the server IP here, 192.168.1.8. H dot, okay, but and then 3000 slash hub dot html. So if you're wondering what is that link, it's basically same link as here. As you can see here, it's basically the same link as here. So yes, and enter, and it's voila, it's show here. Next you need to do, yeah, if you using, but okay, if you use for multiple device, which is this is the streaming PC, just call it streaming PC, okay, even though it's not PC, or even though it's not for streaming, just call it streaming PC. You need to copy by IP, okay, you need to copy by IP. So let's open our OBS here. OBS, we already open our OBS, okay, we already open our OBS, and which is this is the in version 28.0.1, okay, so it's old version, which is OBS now is version 32. So there is maybe some problem in the old version OBS that maybe you have encountered before. So yes, let's see what the problem. Okay, so maybe we can start with inputting our display. Okay, so display overlay, this one, maybe we can use this display too. And then back here, and then in the source we click plus, and then browser, and just call it draft, and then paste the link with 1920 and 180, and then okay. After that, as you can see that I talked to you in before we are set all of this. The things that you need to do, that if this happening, is you just need to update your OBS. Okay, so in for the sake of tutorial, we don't update the OBS yet, so we can see the difference. Okay, so we can see the difference. And also, let's try to input the name. So for example, you want to control this draft in your main in your main PC. Okay, so this is your main PC. So basically you just need to search for control. Okay, so this is because that now I'm using the band 10, the 10 band, not the 6 band, so I'm using this. I'm just open it by IP, or yeah, I'm open it by IP. And wait, let me stretch, wait, let me go here. So yeah, so you can see all of this thing. So let's for now just reset the draft. Okay, now it's resetting and everything is reset, right? As you can see, this is different. Okay, this one is my PC is over. If you can see this, my PC is over there, the main PC, and this is the client PC. So let's ban Amon. Okay, as you can see, Amon is here, but because you have the problem that this Amon is very very small. As you can see here, this Amon is very very small. It's not good. Yes, we know. But for the sake of tutorial, let's go through it. Melissa, I think I just feel this first. Yeah. Wait, I cannot see anything here. I need to wait. Let me just zoom in. Vexana, Argus, Arlot. Okay. So as you can see, now we are in this one, which is the picking one. There's also a problem when you are want to input your picture. So let's for example, I will V, okay, the Timor Leste player. So in here it's smaller, okay, it's so small, but it should not be like this, okay, but in some cases it's so big. The player image is so big. So yes, as you can see, the problem, to fix this problem, you just need to update it. Okay, so let's update it in real time. Okay, so you go to the tools, and then go to the help, and then check for updates, and wait, and then update now. Just update now. Let's update the OBS. Okay, now update is done. Let's launch our OBS and see what's happening. Voila, the problem now is fixed, as you can see here. Before it was so small that you cannot see. Now maybe you cannot see a glimpse of it, and now the player is more bigger, slightly bigger than before. Also this, also the notice one is, see, this picking one. So because the picking one is so big before, but now as you can see it's fixed. Okay, it's fixed. Now let's go through it. We are gonna do some random band and random band and pick. Okay, as you can see here, all is done. The pick is done, but maybe you cannot see it. Wait, let me try to. It should be, I should be doing this in the first place. So ah, yeah, you can see now. You can see. So now because I migrated all from local storage to Node.js, so the connection is more stable than before, and the bug is very less than before. Once again, the bug is very less than before. And also, there is one more feature in this specific version that only have in this sorry. There is also new features that I edited in this version. What is that? It's what is that? So, what is that? It's a previous draft. So, what is the previous draft that I talk about? Okay. So, for example, this is the draft for the game 1. Okay. So, this is the draft for the game 1. So I think I'm just going to close this. So I think you guys understand what I mean by copy by IP. Yeah, just close this. Okay. Okay, now we are already back here. So yes, let's just do in our local OBS here. So let's add draft so you guys can see what's happening here. Display copy. That one you are using copy by IP, right? In other PC, you're using copy by IP. But if you are doing this on host PC, yes, in host PC, you can copy localhost. It's more stable than using IP. So basically, what happened if you use copy localhost in client PC? Okay, so it's not host PC, in client PC. Okay, what happened if you are using the localhost here in client PC, not in host PC? Okay, so basically we are copying this and then we are bringing it to OBS and just make a new scene so it won't be the same browser, and then call it draft 2 and then paste the localhost. Okay, it's localhost link. Okay, and then okay, and then it's show nothing. Okay, it's show nothing because what? Because this is not the local host, this is the client. The local host is the host PC. Okay, again, the local host is the host PC. Even if I try in here, it just endless loading, or yes, as you can see here, the site can be reached. But if you are using copy by IP, it will be show. Okay, it's showed, it's shown, show, whatever, but it's showing. Okay, okay, I think you understand. So back to our host PC here. So as you can see, I'm using the local host and just type the width 190, 20, and 180, and
I do what I want to do.
as you can see here, we already have our draft. So let's just pretend this is game 1. Okay, this is game 1, and I want to move to the game 2, but I want to do like the MPL style. Okay, what the MPL? Oh, not the MPL style. Let's call it, yes. Let's just call it MPL style. What do you mean by MPL style? Let's just say I want to do this draft pick recap. Yeah, recap or previous match. As you can see here, there is a recap here, left and right. Now in 3.3, you can do that. Okay, you can do that, but it's not looks like the MPL one, but it's good. Okay, it's good. You can do that by first before you sorry, what the so before you reset this draft, you need you need to press the save to previous and then double click, are you sure, and then save. Now it's been saved. Okay, now it's safe. Okay, and now you just reset the draft. Okay, so you just reset the draft, and yes, I'll reset the draft, and we are going back to our hub and then copy this specifically previous draft. Okay, previous draft, one scone db copy localhost, and then back here plus browser, and then just call it previous draft or recap, you can call it whatever you want, 1920 180. And as you can see, the draft before is coming to here. Okay, the draft before in the game one is coming to here, and there is more part which is it same as the MPL, which is you can show what is the ban is reban, what is the what is the hero is repick, what is hero is stolen. Yeah, that's those three I think. Yeah, Bennett, okay, or whatever. Okay, so I will just show you. Okay, I will just show you, so it's easier to show. So we are back here to our control panel, and let's just make this okay, to our control panel. So first, let's just say, but maybe you cannot see this. Wait. So first, let's just say, for example, okay, for example, in the game 2, we are gonna ban the hero on the right side, on the second, on the enemy, okay, on the enemy, which is before they are pick Franco. Okay, so maybe the Franco is very very annoying. Okay, just ban Franco here.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
As you can see, Franco ban. Yeah, heroes ban. I don't know what is that. Let just open. Hop. Okay, maybe up. Where is the okay ban now? Okay, it's banned now. It's banned now. Okay, it's banned now. Yes, and let's another example. Let's try another example. Maybe on the right on the right side, you want to ban again the maybe you want to ban again the D-Rot because it's annoying. Okay, so yes, just ban D-Rot again. See, reban here. It's reban, but yeah, it's reban here. Okay, and the left one maybe random ban. Maybe they want to ban
Now
Akai.
Akai enters the scene.
Akai is banned now. Maybe they want to ban Mia also. Yeah, who doesn't want to ban Mia?
I
Okay,
am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Mia, and then maybe Zilong. Yeah, it's OP hero.
The Dragonborn is back.
And then maybe we can ban another like Arlot.
I will choose my own
Okay.
path.
Now I want to stall the hero that they are using in the previous game. What is that? Of course, the OP hero Alucard.
Demons shall bathe
As
in
you
their
can see
blood.
now, it's stolen.
The light
Okay,
belongs
it's
to the
stolen.
righteous.
Okay, what about I want to pick? What about if I pick the heroes that banned in the previous game? Okay, maybe we can pick the most OP hero also. Argus.
Light will fall prey.
As you can see
to
here,
shadow.
pick. Okay, pick. And maybe we want to pick again Balmon. Yeah, you can you can pick again Balmon.
What's your name, boy?
As you can see here, that's all the alert that we are gonna have from the previous draft. Okay, so student ban now, reban, and pick and repick. So it's 5. Oh yes, it's 5. What if they are not switching place? What if the team 2 is still on the second pick and team 1 is still on the first pick? Okay, so what if that scenario happen? So there is 2 buttons here, which is switch camp position and switch data source. So this switch camp position is just switching for switching the position. Okay, it's just for switching the position left to the right and right to the left. So it's not changing the data. It's just switching the display. Okay, it's just switching the display. However, in switch data source, it's switching the data. As As you can see here, now Alucard is stolen. Okay, now Alucard is stolen. But if I switch again, now Alucard is repick. As you can see, it's repick in the left, right. This one is repick. If I press again, now it's stolen. But if I press the switch cam position, it just switch the display, okay, the graphic, not the data. As you can see, it must be repick, not stolen. Alucard here must be repick, not stolen. So press the switch data source and then press the switch cam position to make it right. That's how to fix it. So you don't need to do so many things. You don't need to do so many things. Just doing that. Simple. And the last is it's still working on your mobile also. And yeah, we are back to our PC here. So for example, okay, and also we are back to our overlay tool here. So for example, I want to control the what is it, the notif. Okay, the notif display here. Maybe it's not shown. Okay, notif display, and I want to make it here on my OBS browser. What is it, the name? Okay, we just call it notif, paste it 190 1920 180. Then wait, then we are going to open the tool to trigger it, which is on the control panel, and then it's called notif control, open by IP, which is this one. Hop, and it will be open. So let's try turtle spawn. Okay, still working. Let's try first blood. Okay, still working. Double kill, working. Wipe out, also working. And now it's much stable than before. Before it's not that stable, but now it's very stable because not using local storage anymore. And also let's try another tool that we can control in our mobile. Let's try this post game. Okay, let's try this post game. Copy, then just change it to post game. As you can see here, now we are back to our hub, and then find post game control. And yes, let's just setting up here, maybe on the tree, which is Balmon. Okay, here Balmon. Maybe Balmon in the red side. Okay, Balmon in the red side, which is this one. Maybe he buy a new item. I don't know. Maybe he buy Feather of Heaven. Maybe Feather of Heaven. Yeah. Okay, and then just save JSON and then see what happening. As you can see, the Feather of Heaven now is there, and maybe he's changing the spell. The Balmon, maybe not Ari. Maybe he's not using Arifal. Maybe he's using Flame Shoot. Okay, and then save to JSON, and then you can see it's changing. Okay, still working. Let's try the other. What can we try? Other schedule display. Okay, the schedule display. Let's try this. Paste it. Maybe you cannot see now. Let's just schedule control. Open this and show display. As you can see, it's now shown. Let's take it custom text. Okay, it's there, and then choose file logo. Before, because before using local storage, you cannot choose file exceeding 300 KB, but now you can choose basically not, just make sure not exceeding 10 MB. Okay, just make sure who is going to insert 10 MB file. So let's just do this image, this one. Okay, as you can see now, the image is there, and okay, the team name score is 4. Okay, and then the second team, maybe this one. Okay, as you can see, it's show. Maybe I can make it bigger. Show one. Yeah, as you can see, it's maybe let's try next, the second schedule, and showing third schedule, showing fourth schedule, showing. And yes, basically now large, you can input large file here. Yeah, that's for let's try another. How about the control our drawing system here? Okay, let's try to control our drawing system, which is draw. I like to choose this one. Draw display. This one. The CS display. Oh, let's gacha. Okay, reset, reset, reset. Start draw. And expanding river. Good, good, good. So what if I want to fix? Okay, fix flame cloud. Start draw. Okay, done. So it's still working on mobile also, and it much more stabler, stable, stable. I think that's all for 3.3 for now. Who knows next updates like what. So yes, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike this video, subscribe, share this video to anyone. I don't know who, but yeah, thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to